Welcome back to the channel and another episode of 7-Figure Products. In this series, we are reviewing 7, 8, and even 9-figure companies that are absolutely crushing it on Amazon and in business in general. We're going to be reviewing these products, testing these products, and diving deep into how you can find products like this, how you can create brands like this, and how you can develop world-class products. These are some of the best products from the biggest companies in the world. Today's video I'm actually super excited about because we're going to be reviewing a company that's not playing around, and you will get that joke in just a second. This company is dominating it with one category, one type of product. You guys know the saying at the AMZ formula and AMZ together, you're only one product away. Now, on this channel, if you haven't checked it out, we reviewed Blender Bottle. That's another mega, super huge company that's crushing it with one product in one industry, and they're dominating it. And this company is doing similar, if not more numbers with one product in one category. So I'm super excited to break down this product. I didn't premeditatively buy this product to do this. I bought this product for me selfishly because it's a part of my hobby, something I enjoy doing. And when I got it, I was just so blown away through not only the process of ordering the product and buying the product and the quality of the product itself, I was blown away when I did a little research into the company. So without further ado, let's dive into my computer, let's review some of these metrics, and then at the end, per usual, I'm gonna open the product with you, review the product, some of the product marketing with you, and I'm super excited because I already had a sneak peek and it's absolutely mind-blowing. This company specializes in building high-performance controllers for video game consoles such as Xbox, PlayStation, and controllers for PC. Now, I personally got this. You guys may know a little context of my background. I love playing first-person shooters, FPSs, primarily competitively when it comes to Call of Duty, and I recently leveled up my controller, and I spent literally close to $400 on this controller. So, and I didn't care about the price because I wanted the best and I wanted the highest quality controller as I'm leveling my game up and getting better. And as I went through the buying journey, you know, as a marketer, as a brand expert, right? A brand building expert, as someone who's an expert at e-commerce, as I went through the website, the buying process, the building process, the fulfillment process, it just blew me away. This company is absolutely phenomenal. And we're gonna start off by looking at its Amazon sales. Now, I want you to keep in mind, guys, right now, they only have one product here on Amazon, which is the Scuff Instinct Pro for Xbox. Now, this company has, again, PC, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and Xbox. However, these are the only ones that are in inventory. So here you can see that they're doing around 50 sales per day. Monthly revenues around $350,000 per month. You guys know the rule of thumb, 30 to 50% margins. These are high ticket, high quality products. And some of you guys out there, you know, when you're developing your products or thinking about launching a brand or a product, you're thinking about your margins. The most important thing is to make money, but the most important thing to do when identifying how you can make money is to not sacrifice the quality of your product. I've said this before, I'm always using Apple as a comparison. We talked about this in the video with Blender Bottle. If you haven't checked that video out, I'll pop up a caption here. I'll also link to it down below. Check that video out after this video. It's an awesome video where it's a similar category king crushing it with one product, and they don't care about price. Why? Because they were going to outvalue the competition in a few ways, not just quality, but also with the customer experience and the customer journey. So think about these things as well. As I've said here before on the channel, Peter Thiel, the co-founder of PayPal, stated that the way that they were able to crush the competition is by escaping the competition. There was no competition because they escaped it. So think about it when you're looking at developing your product and differentiating your product and improving the customer journey and the quality of your product. So this is the only product that they have on here. When they have other products on here, they're probably doing 7 figures per month. I did a little digging and I've seen some information on different websites, so I'm not sure which one is 100% accurate, but according to Glassdoor, you can see that they have 200 to 500 employees. It's a privately held and owned company. Their revenue is at 9 figures, guys, 100 to 500 million. This is big money, and they're absolutely crushing it, guys. Outside of controllers, they may have like controller accessories and cases. Other than that, they are a category king. One of the questions we often get asked on the channel and on coaching calls and so on and so forth is, when do you know how to scale? When do you know when to go into different categories, different products, so on and so forth? I'm constantly always talking about exhausting that category, exhausting the potential of that product. If you find a product that has endless amounts of possibilities where you can just dominate and create a ginormous business around that one product, that one category, literally absolutely crush it. When I was starting out in the bath and body niche, that's what I did. I then later went into office products and different products, right? But I literally crushed it for 3 years with the same product in the same category, just creating differentiating products, right? Or different types of products within that main product and main product category. So quantities, products that cater to different genders, products that cater to different seasons, different type of gift packs, so on and so forth. So think about it, like they only sell controllers, yet they dominate PC, Xbox, PlayStation, and how do they have different variations? Well, you can custom build them. You can order them with different things, different components. You can make it to your liking, which is super smart. So when to know when to go into a different category or to launch different products, fully exhaust the full potential of that product. I wanted to share with you guys, I know this is irrelevant to Amazon, but some of you guys who have websites, who are building websites, and you have businesses where you're expanding outside of Amazon, which is smart to do, I want to show you what the fulfillment process looks like. A lot of e-commerce platforms, they just have a tracking. Hey, we're going to email you your tracking. We're going to email you the tracking. We're going to send you the tracking. Scuf did something unique that I've never seen before that blew me away. It literally shows you the customer journey. So the buying journey from the minute you design it to you make the order to them receiving your order, starting your order, building your order, received overseas in customs, received in the United States. It shows every step of the process. So that's something that a lot of clients, customers, and people that come into our world as physical product sellers and brand owners are not seeing. They're not seeing that we're doing pre-manufacturer inspections, post-manufacturer inspections, that Amazon's doing additional inspections. They're just seeing their products, right? So think about ways that you can incorporate something fun like that into your website or into your marketing or into your entire workflow as well. That's just something huge that I took away from them that you really don't see unless you're a customer. All right, guys, so first is first, we're gonna start with the exterior packaging, guys. I'm huge on exterior packaging and I'm a nerd when it comes to packaging. So a few things right off the back. Number one, good crush factor. Why? Because this is a high premium, high dollar amount item. So here you can see inside the box, there is literally barely any room inside of this box. So when we come in here and we do the shake test, that's how I like to test it. There's no wiggling, right? There's no jiggling. You don't hear this moving around. It's snug. That's huge for multiple purposes. Number one, it increases the perception like, this is tailored, this is custom, this fits nice. And number two, it's gonna make sure that your stuff arrives not damaged. I'm excited about this. I've waited almost a month for them to build mine. I built this custom, this wasn't one that was in stock. And a few things I'm gonna walk you through the process. First and foremost, the packaging was designed to match the color and the theme of the controller, which was custom, which blows my mind. To have independent packaging to match the independent created product is absolutely mind-blowing. Off to the side, it's got tons of disclaimers, tons of warnings, and it's got features and so on and so forth. It's gonna be hard for you guys to see this. I'm not gonna go through all of this. If you haven't been clicking the link down below and getting access to all the content, when it comes to the 7-Figure Product Series, there are notes and there are different assets like pictures, so on and so forth. In order for you guys to get those, all you gotta do is click the link, put in your information, we'll email you access, and you get access to literally all of the SOPs, all of the content, all of the pictures for absolute free. That way you can take a look at that stuff. So when we pull this sleeve out, this is a really nice way to do packaging. You can see the packaging is really simple, really premium, minimalistic looking, and all the detail and the branding is on the sleeve. So this is a nice way to design this. Another thing is it has a pull tab. Once you pull the pull tab, it lifts up. Very, very premium, very high quality. Now, right off the bat, what I want you guys to notice is when you're opening this product, when you're opening this box, I want you to notice how this is tailored, right? This is literally tailored to this box. It is inserted to this box. There's no moving around. And then on top of that, you have this styrofoam, which is holding the joysticks in place. Guys, something that a lot of people shy on and they cheap out on is on product inserts. I see so many people spend a lot of money on intricate, detail-oriented, nice, high-quality packaging, and then the inside of their product sucks, right? The inside of the packaging sucks. Here's a few ways that you can improve the inside of your packaging. Number one, make your product snug. make it tailored. Have a plastic insert, have some type of styrofoam insert, right? Make sure that it's premium and that it's displayed well and that it's protected. Number two, if there are parts that can move or get broken that are important, have some type of apparatus or something that's going to hold them in place, because this is going to increase the perception of the brand. It's going to increase the perception of the quality, and it's going to protect your product, which will get you less return. Here you can see that it has this plastic wrapping at the bottom. Why? That way it doesn't scratch up against the plastic. Does this cost additional money? Yes. Is it mandatory? No. Do I appreciate it as a consumer because I'm paying top dollar for my product and I want my product to arrive nice as possible? Yes. And I'm so excited because they've done everything right. I have no constructive criticism to give these people, and when it comes to packaging, when it comes to boxing. The reason why I do this series is so that you guys can get your creative juices flowing. You guys can learn how top 6, 7, 8, and 9-figure businesses are crushing it and what their packaging looks like. Because guess what? They have a team of designers. They've went through tens of thousands of units, so they're improving the efficiencies and the effectiveness of the marketing and the product packaging. So by watching these videos that we do for free here, you're able to literally hack these top companies. That way when you do your launch, it can be the best as possible. By the way, guys, we spend thousands of dollars per month on these products, top products that are selling over 7 figures per year on Amazon, to give you guys this free education here online. All we ask in return is that you guys like this video. If you're new or returning and you're not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. Make sure it says subscribed. Next to it is a bell. Click the bell, because every single week we're dropping new videos. Every single week we're trying to go live and answer your guys' questions for free to help you guys increase your income, your impact, and your influence. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, I read every single question and personally respond with an answer. Before we get into the actual controller, I want to review the owner's manual or the instruction manual and the accessories. These are two other additional areas that a lot of newbies and beginners make big mistakes on. Too many people put all their time, effort, and emphasis into the product and create awesome products, and then their packaging is absolutely trash. And even if their outside or exterior packaging is fantastic, the interior contents are just rushed or neglected. So don't make that newbie mistake. So here's safety information. Not going to go through all this stuff. We will add this in the SOP down below. If you guys want to see what this looks like so you can model nine-figure stuff, go ahead and download that down below. Here you can see the instruction manual, all different types of instructions, of course, in different languages. I'm not going to go through this. We cover this on a ton of different videos. However, we will be screenshotting this and adding in the SOP down below, so you guys make sure that you guys download that. But the huge takeaway was it was wrapped. It is high quality printed. I don't know if you guys can see, this isn't just some dingy, garbage regular paper like this, right? This is something that's nice and printed, so it's going to increase the perception of the value. And that's what they want to do. Guys, I paid $400 for this controller. This thing probably costs less than $30 to make, right? $18 to $36 to make. So understand that if you put the time, effort, energy, and resources into your product, you can demand whatever you want. I always use Apple as a perfect example. Why is Apple significantly more expensive than Acer when they do the same things, and sometimes the stats on Acers are better than Apple? Because Apple is spending the time, effort, and energy to having better customer support, better packaging, better materials, better features. So think about how you can do this. The biggest misconception about value and about pricing your product is, well, it's overpriced, no one's gonna pay it. Do people say that about these controllers? Yes. Are they still the #1 purchased, #1 supported by professional gamers in the industry controller? Absolutely. Are they a 9-figure company? Absolutely. So obviously the price does not matter. Is Apple a $1 trillion company? Yes. Is Acer? No. Is Dell? No. Obviously, yes, it is overpriced to some, but underpriced to many because of the value that they offer their customers, right? I'm not gonna get into the nerd stuff because you guys don't really care, but the carbon fiber paddles, the quick click mouse click buttons, the carbon fiber joysticks, removing the batteries, making it lighter, the ergonomic military grade grip, all of this is just phenomenal. It's gonna help me level up my game, and hopefully this video helps you level up your game, take your pre-existing business to the next level, or the one that you're getting ready to start. You get to start with some tips, tricks, and hacks from a 9-figure company. Again, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Click the notification bell. Down below, let me know if you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what other videos you want to see. I read all of those questions and comments, respond to all of them, and I appreciate you guys. And remember, most importantly, you're only one product away. See you guys in the next one.